Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Trevor Clohessy, and in this video I will be providing a summary of my new book, Blockchain, the Business Perspective. Now, this book is released and published by Nova Ray Publishers. It's the first edition. So what is blockchain? Well, blockchain is not a mobile application, a company, or a cryptocurrency. In its simplest form, blockchain is a ledger that records transactions digitally and records details about the transaction. These details are recorded in multiple places on the same network. Blockchain comes in two flavors, public and private blockchains. And when you read the book, I go into how you can differentiate between private and public blockchains and the characteristics which define both kind of flavors or instances. Now, blockchain, the technology which first underpinned the Bitcoin cryptocurrency, is a versatile beast. The technology's potential business use applications go beyond electronic payment system functionality, however. And this book, Blockchain, the Business Perspective, provides a hands-on introduction to blockchain technologies. By the end of Chapter 1, you will understand the abstract nature of blockchain, be able to outline the positives and negatives of blockchain technologies, be able to discuss the characteristics of blockchain technologies, and differentiate the nuances, as I discussed earlier, between public permissionless blockchains and private permissioned blockchains. A real unique value proposition of this book is that it includes real-world case studies with content that is suitable for a myriad of stakeholders. First, it's suitable for higher education students and lecturers who are teaching new blockchain courses. Why go to all the trouble of searching through a myriad of sources for blockchain concepts and examples of use cases when you can get them all in this book? It's also suitable for chief information officers wanting insights on blockchain solutions, business people interested in migrating to blockchain technologies, and information technology professionals seeking information and knowledge about blockchain fundamentals. If you're going into a meeting and the person presenting is, they're providing an overview of what blockchain is, this book, you can go through Chapter 1 and you'll be prepared to go into that meeting and understand what blockchain is and what it isn't. Throughout the 10 chapters, you will learn specifics about blockchain characteristics, smart contracts, tokenization, GDPR, decentralized applications, business models, and much more. Fundamentally, you will be able to differentiate what makes blockchain unique, what sets it apart from the other technologies. And one real cool value proposition of this book is the following. At the end of each chapter, there are a list of key terms that you have reviewed during the chapter, but there are also self-learning exercises. And these self-learning exercises have been developed to enhance your knowledge repertoire of what blockchain is, its use applications, and how you can differentiate and enhance the discussion when the concept of blockchain comes up. Okay, thank you. That's a brief overview of my book. I hope you enjoy it. There's a link on how to purchase an ebook copy of the book in this video on the link below, and I look forward to exploring the concept of what blockchain is, and particularly the business perspective of what blockchain is.